Right, so, boys and girls, I haven't done this in a while, and a video of why I haven't done this in a while will be coming soon, probably after this one, because I'll record it at a different time. But until then, I'm not going to explain why I've disappeared for so long, and kind of given this YouTuber's about as much attention as dads who ran away from their kids give. But in today's video, me, the runaway, and I don't really know what to call him as his internet presence. Big streamer boy. We're going down to London and we're gonna do epic parkour. And probably play hide and seek in a construction site. I don't know how to do this YouTube thing. Subscribe, go follow my Instagram, and go follow Team Distance. Peace.
I've never been filmed like this before. Alright, so we'll go to walk. Alright, let's go.
Big meat.
Right, so boys and girls, yes, we're in a construction site. And we're playing a bit of hide and seek. Now, obviously, there's a shit ton of fucking parkour videos, but now hide and seek, we're going to have POV of everyone on their singular channels, so hit up the runaway. I don't know if you'll see Urinal Alchemies, maybe. But, ready for hide and seek. So, everyone gets together. We've got the runaway right here.
Can I get up now?
Yep. We're going to do a quick game of Rochambeau to decide who's counting rock, paper, scissors, decide who's counting, and I'm going to switch to GoPro footage, and it'll be litty.
Wait, let me do my intro.
Alright.
I want to do a
We'll love it up.
No, I didn't do an intro.
So Joel, exclusive interview. How does it feel to be a member of the parkour team Distance?
Distance, why are you zooming in so much? It's
It's a story thing.
Okay, well, I'm really looking forward to being a member at Distance, you know, since...
You already are, what do you mean looking forward?
Since a certain team, Kazarati, denied us.
Shitty cunt, no, I love Jack and Sam.
Sam and Jack, good guys. But we're going to be better, and we're going to take you down in the parkour championships in Greece.
In Santorini. Are you doing an intro, or are we going to Rochambeau? Alright, let's Rochambeau, alright. What was that?
This is good.
Alright, best 2 out of 3? Alright, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What the fuck?
We're doing shoot at the moment.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So...
Wait, am I
it's best 2 out of 3.
Okay.
Wait, no, so you get out, and then it's... Alright, yeah, so you're counting. I forgot rock, paper, scissors. Alright, I'm going to switch to... Rock it all the way.
Yeah, actually, pretty thick.
I'm going to switch to... No. Whoa. I'm going to switch to GoPro footage until it dies, and then I'm going to go back to big heavy camera boy. So, the rules, just to let you know, is we're not allowed below the 3rd floor, that's what we're on. I think it goes up to the 7th. We're also not allowed on the roof, and we're not allowed on any scaffolding. There is a staircase over there, that is kind of outside. We're allowed on that to get up the floors. But other than that, back in the week, because there's 2 of us, Joel right here is going to count to 20. And that's basically it. Let's switch to GoPro footage. Transition. Alright, so Joel's counting on the big boy camera because GoPro died. Alright, start counting. Let's go. Fuck off, I didn't my own. This is sick. Felix! Alright, so I'm gonna hide here. I don't particularly want to use the big camera, but I should. It's alright. What the hell was that? like, yeah, that's Runaway. He's doing the Kill Bill whistle. Man, I feel like I can't breathe in here. I feel like I'm going to leave and actually have a best night canter. Why is he running? Oh mate, I thought he was being chased. That proper scared me. These could be big games as well, boys. Big games. Because we can hide from the third fucking floor up to like the seventh. The seventh is dark. It's got like 2 floodlights and that's about it. Don't even have my phone out or anything. I've just got to sit here and record. So I might start moving. Yeah, we're going to start moving. I can hear him.
I caught you in like 2 seconds.
What are you doing?
Like, you feel bad at this.
Where did you go? Alright, basically. So I was hiding and I heard Felix get caught. And so I got bored.
Yeah.
I just remembered we can go to the 7th floor. To stay, another rule, but we can't stay in the same spot.
Okay, that's cool. Oh, that's smart. I would have been terrified.
Alright, transition to the next clip. Do the transition. So, Felix got found because he's a little shit can.
You're gonna have to leave soon. Let's close this log. Oh shit. Yeah, well, I'll just tell her I'll come around to
What was that background on your phone?
That was Distance, you know, the
Follow
new
us
team.
by the merch.
If we don't have much.
Right, Felix, count to 30, starting now. Alright, so we've got a couple of new rules, like you have to keep moving. Let's make the video a bit more interesting. And he's counting to 30. Also, swear to paint, cuz I feel like I've got I feel like I've got cancer. Proper fucking hurts. I think the only interesting thing in my video is my eyes fucking hurt. That's just going to be at the floor, innit? Sorry, I've got to itch my eyes. Oh mate, that's really painful. Like, genuinely painful. I never feel like you lot can hear me. That's why I need like a microphone for this. Or a better camera. Ooh. Okay. I can't fucking breathe or see. Okay, it's epic. Oh, I know we're not allowed to go outside, but I'm just going to quickly stand here because fuck me in my eyes. Fresh air. I don't know if that's Joel, so I'm going to quickly go outside just in case. I know we're not meant to be here, but I have no idea who that is. I think we're okay. I don't know what that knocking was. Mate, I fucking hear people. Oh, Joe. I think we're okay. Thought I heard him. Cô xong rồi, do not enter. Yes, I hear him. Where's he? Where's he gone? That echo though. No, he's not up here. Where's he gone? He's honestly disappeared. Not whistling back anymore. That's upstairs, that's the roof, yeah. Alright. I feel like I'm not talking enough. But aside from the whistling, I'm trying to be quiet. Oh, it's the water. Bloody dickhead. I feel we're all alone. I feel like everyone's left or died. Leave them false trails, you know. The problem is that whistling could have been Felix. That's higher than me. I slid down the stairs in the construction site. Felix is above us then. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Felix is above us then, because he whistled from above. So, if you heard, I did single whistles as well. The single whistles I did really loud to try and throw him off, like I did. Yeah, I kept like whistling and then getting you back. Alright, he's upstairs, and I got all the way to like the roof. Because I heard, were you banging? Like knocking up 3-4 times this because I heard you. Yeah, alright, because I thought that was people. Exclusions on? I just came after it. Hold on. I thought he was above us.
Where were you?
We were hiding. Joel, if Felix is here and I heard a whistle from the top floor.
When did you?
Clap your hands.
Faggots.
Where were you guys?
Sorry. I walked all the way to the top.
I tried to distract you.
Yeah, because I kept going to try and get Joel to whistle back. Then I heard him, and so I tried to follow him. So I went all the way up, then I went all the way down, then I ran into him.
On accident.
No, I went up, right? I went look.
Wait, who did he catch then?
He caught both of us.
I caught him first though.
Alright, that's cool.
I'm really safe anyway.
Well, because I've got the cat. I count.
This is my heart was racing. Like when I heard the first whistle, I was like, "Fuck, is that someone or is that Diamond?"
No, when I heard those knocks, I thought it was someone else.
That was me.
Alright.
Were you on the front door?
I'm counting here, fellas. Alright, so I've been caught. So we're gonna count now. Felix is gonna do an epic time lapse. Let me count him. Alright. Are you ready? One, 2, 3. I'm gonna count in my head. Who's? I'm just gonna simply. $20. $25. $30. Epic. I want to take some pictures here, definitely. So I know they definitely went left. That's the thing. It's not really hide and seek anymore. It's kind of just walk around the building until you're found. Now I could do the whistling again, but I don't. Oh, it's not actually in it. Mate, that smell is potent. I really dislike that. These Camden fucking skills can be awful. Yeah, this is where I had the knocking. That smells like fresh paint. That puts me off a bit. Secretly playing hide and seek with some builder as well. Yeah, they ain't gonna whistle back now. Where's my round jar? Make him think it's like a builder. Stalk the staircase though. Right, commentary, yes. Definitely gonna upload more bangers, more madnesses rather than just shitty parkour clips because I'm not that good. And shitty game of hide and seek. That's above me, that's above me. Helicopter coming for us. Maybe that wasn't them. Maybe that was water dripping. Pitter patter. Got a headache. When did it get so sunny? Yes, focus on the bar.
I'm coming to your trousers.
It's crazy how you can walk like all the way up and all the way back and find no one. Just makes you think things are not apart. You just walk all the way up the stairs and walk all the way back down. It's gonna be fun. This looks like more than one camera. Alright, so I don't know what happened there. My camera stopped filming. I guess it got tired.
Alright, we've got my things now.
Or we just sit here.
I need to go on this.
Cinder block. Oh, mate, my back. Cinder block. I just walk around.
Alright, so can I find him?
Oh,
I'll try and find him.
oh,
end. Do you only stay on the straw?
Huh?
Yeah, did you only stay on the straw?
No, I went all the way to the top, went all the way back down. No. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, sleep in heavenly peace.
I told you not here.
Sleep in heavenly peace. I see your jumper. I see the hood of your jumper.
Oh, wait.
Did you hear my epic sing? I think we should. Let's all harmonise in here. Just people outside like, what the fuck are these builders doing? I'm so fucking dirty. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. What's a song that's like creepy to you guys? What's that song from?
Wait, what? I'm
Detroit
very
Become
confused.
Human. What's that song from Detroit Become Human?
Oh.
Just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Wait, I'm gonna do a Star-Lord black. Little while longer. Alright, Felix, do your neutral tone, like your natural tone. No, just the note. Just the note. Just your your neutral tone. Just the note. Just hold the note. Then just do your natural. Watch me come now, watch me roll, watch me right now, watch me roll. I know, real talk though. Do we all know how to hit a G? G. Alright, Felix, you start, then I'll go, then Joel.
I don't know how to hit G.
G. Mate, you're hitting B flat. Sorry, I have perfect pitch. G is the first note from the Black Parade.
I want to keep saying G, I want to make a joke. Go.
G. What's up, my G? Wait, what one?
Okay, go G.
A camera on my chest. Oh.
Say G for
A camera on my chest. Oh. G.
Inky Scoop.
Can you hit a perfect A sharp?
No.
A sharp in the fourth column.
There you go. You sound like the Ood. You know they're Dr. Domo, so like the Ood singing.
I'm trying to think of a creepy song. Ring a rosy, pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Stop! I'm a giraffe! Alright, let's film a rap video. Alright, this is going to be an entertaining video just for the fact that we're just singing in the construction zone. Alright, fagoots.
Ready, boys?
So, I don't know what the fuck that was. Once this like video's been put together, it's gonna be the dumbest shit ever.
not scary, more like you're literally the definition of sees the karate kid. Watch it.
Don't fuck with me. I'm the power of God and anime on my side. Alright, boys and girls, cockpits and cockpits. We're going to be leaving the building right now, so I'm probably going to do an outro on the train, because why not? How's this thing coming up? What do you have to say to the viewers? Go.
It was a sick video. Go subscribe to The Runaway.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Felix, what do you have to say to the viewers?
No one cares about him.
No, Felix, what do you have to say to the viewers? Okay, happy birthday. Moving on.